Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another clean with me. Today I'm having a major refresh day and I'm doing about 5 loads of laundry and also cleaning all of the bedrooms upstairs, and then I'm also doing some deep cleaning, well, some much needed cleaning downstairs. If you're new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you're seeing, you may not know that we're currently having some renovation work done. So part of the house we actually can't access, and in the rooms that we can, we're kind of fighting against dust and mess and cold. So I would say parts of this video are very satisfying because I will be vacuuming up so much dust, and I actually didn't realize how bad it was until I started editing this video. I mean, look at this. And then at the end of this video, we're also starting to set up our temporary kitchen. So we're turning my office space into a kitchen for now while they knock out our old kitchen and then put a new one in. We're also selling some of our old appliances, so I wanted to give them a really good deep clean. So I hope you really enjoy this video. I felt so much better after doing this. I think because we are doing lots of the building work, I kind of want to make the rooms that we are living in as nice as possible. So first off today, I'm going to start out by doing everyone's bedding. I'm going to put all of it into the wash. This did take a couple of loads, so I'm going to get all of that going. And a question that I get whenever I show me washing everyone's bedding is how often do I do it? So to be honest with you, during the winter months when everyone is going to bed in pajamas and having just had a bath, I'll wash the bedding every 2 weeks, but I will change our pillowcases every week so that it's nice and clean for our faces. And then in the summer when it's hotter, I will wash the bedding every week, but then it's that quicker to hang it out to dry. So that's kind of what we do, but I would love to know in the comments, how do you do it? How often? Do you have any tips or hacks? I'd be interested to know. But anyway, I'm going to get the first load of laundry on. So I'm using some advertorial softener, some Ariel, and some Unstoppables as well. So I'm going to put that on, and then I actually went to the salon and had my nails done. And then when I got back, I'm going to put it into the tumble dryer. So I put a second load of washing into the machine, and now I'm going to tumble dry the first load. I definitely use my tumble dryer more during the winter months when the weather isn't great, so I don't feel like I can hang these out to dry. And especially when I'm doing larger loads like this, it really does come in handy. But one thing I do hate is how it kind of ruins that just washed freshness that you get from laundry. So I wanted to show you a little tip. I use these Lenor tumble dryer sheets. I'm showing you that it says extra softness, reduces static, and reduces creases as well. So I just pop one of these sheets on top of the load of laundry before I turn it on, and I love these scents. I've got the Spring Awakening, the Summer Breeze, but today I'm actually using the Sparkling Bloom and Yellow Poppy. So I'm just going to put that on to dry on like auto while I just run around and do a few other jobs. But I also love using Lenor tumble dryer sheets in places like drawers, just to give it like a nice scent and a bit more freshness. I also tend to pop these into suitcases, into my son's stinky football boots as well, and I love putting them into our artificial flowers. I'll switch this out quite often because I feel like you can really smell the difference. But anyway, this is obviously the laundry coming out, and it just smells amazing. I'm totally obsessed with it. So if you are also tumble drying more in the winter and you kind of don't want to lose that lovely laundry smell, I would totally recommend them. Next up, I'm going to clean our living room. So this is the one room that my entire family of 5, or actually I should say family of 6 because the dog is right there, we've all been living in this space. So it does get very messy and it gets really dusty because the building work, like the majority of it, is happening in the room just next to this. So dust just keeps like creeping in. So I'm constantly vacuuming and tidying this room. But but it's actually fine. We're so lucky to have a space like this where we can kind of all stay living in the house while we're doing this project. But I'm actually going to clean all of the throw cushions and a lot of the throws as well. I just kind of want to freshen up the whole space. So I'm going to stick that on as well. Sorry, I told you there was a lot of laundry in this video. But I think as well, having a dog now, although she is hypoallergenic, I always worry that like the room is going to start to smell and I'm not going to notice it. Not that we're having guests around or anything like that, but I'm also going to Febreze this couch that I'm not washing the cushions or the throw on. So I'm just going to do that and then clean the table and this room in general, and then start on the floor, which is so disgusting. So stay tuned for that.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain Laurel high five for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
So I've just moved the table because this is how dusty it gets underneath the table, because all the dust is finding a way through that door. We have got dust sheets and everything, but I think we need to like tape around the edges, but it just seems to find a way in. They actually pulled down all the ceilings in the room next to this room the other day, so I think all of this is from that. But anyway, I'm going to vacuum it all up and mop as well to just make it feel so much cleaner in here. So yeah, once that's done, I'm just going to move everything back, and then I'm going to go upstairs and start putting the bedding back onto the beds. So I'm using different sheets because they're not all quite dry just yet. But yeah, I'm just going to go around putting all the sheets back on while the kids are still at school, because there is nothing worse than when you go upstairs, do the bedtime routine, and then you walk into their rooms and you're like, oh yeah, I forgot to put the bedding back on. And if you're wondering what that big long cushion was, it's just a stopper so that Jackson doesn't fall out of this bed. We've been sleeping in here, me and him. Caleb and Matt and Fraser have been in various different beds, like in Caleb's room or in Jackson's room, and that's just the way that it's going. But anyway, now that that bed is all done, I'm just going to quickly fold a load of laundry. This is like some whites that I did the other day that needed to be folded, so I'm just going to quickly do that and put that away, and then just tidy up the rest of this room. So I'm just going to give it a quick vacuum, sort out the pillows on the window seat, and then wipe down any surfaces in here, because again, the dust is finding a way everywhere. So I'm just going to run around and do that, and then I'm going to move on to Caleb and Jackson's room as well.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, and
Okay, so that is all of the beds all clean again. So now I'm just going to finish up vacuuming in Jackson's bedroom, and I'm using my new Dyson V11. I still have my Dyson V8 and it's going strong. It still works really well as long as I clean it once a year. So I kind of use both at the moment. But anyway, this is my office space. It is such a complete mess. We have so many samples of things in here to do with the renovation and the building. So I kind of need to just put everything away and tidy up, because this is going to become our temporary kitchen. So those were some flooring samples. These are fabric samples for like the couch we're going to get. We also have the designs from the designer. These are dining table samples as well. And yeah, just so many interior choices to still make. I think that's one part of the whole renovation and build process that I find difficult, is having to make so many decisions every day. But obviously I feel so grateful to be able to be doing this. It's just like there's a lot to think about, and also because of the pandemic, lead times on getting things is much longer now. So say if we wanted to order a dining table, it will probably take around 12 weeks. So we kind of need to get onto all of those things, just making the decisions and ordering it all in. But anyway, I'm just going to move all this to the garage, like the stuff that we need. Like that was some more flooring samples and stuff. This is all my equipment for work. So I need to just find a place for everything basically and have a good clear out. And then Matt is going to come in and actually move the desk over to the other side of the room. We've had some brilliant news from our builders, and that is when they do take out our current kitchen, we're going to be able to move the part of our kitchen with a sink into this room. They're going to get us water in here. They're going to drill a hole from outside and hook it up somehow so that we're actually going to have water downstairs for the 3 months until we have our new kitchen. So it's just the best news, because I really did see me having to run upstairs all the time, having to do dishes in the bathtub and all of that. So it's been great news. So anyway, we're going to move the desk to this side, and this is where I'm going to set up all of the appliances that we need. So this is the 2-ring hob that I ordered online. I'm just going to give that a quick clean, and then I'm also going to have on this side like our air fryer, our microwave, all of that kind of stuff. But this is great because I'll be able to like cook pasta. I'll be obviously able to cook like the kids' food in the air fryer, and so many other things that I make in it. I've actually made so many videos of what I cook in my air fryer. We've got our microwave, we've got our blender, and I've also got an instant pot and a slow cooker in our garage. So as and when I need it, I'm going to get the slow cooker in. I've made so many freezer meals as well for the slow cooker. I actually have 15 in the freezer, so that should keep us going for a little while. And then I'm also going to clean off this stove because someone is picking it up tomorrow. We sold it on eBay and we didn't know if it would sell or not because parts of it are broken, like the flint doesn't work or anything. But we managed to sell it, so we're really pleased. So the inside is quite clean. Recently did that, but I'm going to clean off like the top bit with an abrasive cleaner so that it's just nice and shiny for when it does get picked up. But yeah, this is probably the last time you guys are going to see this old kitchen. I can't say that I'm going to miss it, although it's been like, I'm so grateful that we've had it for this year while we've been waiting to do this project. It's like, it's never, I don't know what it is about this room. Maybe it's like the feng shui or something, but it's really cold, it's really dark, it's just, I don't know, it's like not the nicest room to cook in, but I'm so grateful to have had it. I feel like if you're not grateful, then you don't get anything new. So anyway, that is all clean now, so I'm just going to put all of the top bit back on and give those a good wipe down. I used to just put them into the dishwasher, but they're actually still pretty clean. So just give it a quick wipe down, and then I'm going to move on to our hallway.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
Okay guys, that is pretty much everything that I got done while the kids were at school today. But then in the evening, I also came into the office to just clear out all of my desk drawers. They were pretty messy and we really wanted to clear up a couple of them so that we could have the cutlery in this room. But yes, I'll do a full temporary kitchen tour if that's something you'd like to see. Wish me luck over the next few months, and thanks again for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.